Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow easily at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, and a touch of vanilla extract. Next, set up your stand mixer with the whisk attachment, as this will be crucial for achieving that fluffy texture. Finally, prepare your baking pan by lightly greasing it and dusting it generously with powdered sugar to prevent sticking. Now let's get started with the base. Begin by blooming 3 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin in 1/2 cup of cold water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. In a separate saucepan, combine 1 and 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Then bring it to 240 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the softball stage. Once your syrup reaches temperature, carefully pour it into the bloomed gelatin mixture, stirring gently to combine. Immediately transfer this to your stand mixer and whip on high speed for 10 to 12 minutes. You'll see it transform into a thick, glossy, and incredibly fluffy marshmallow cream. Quickly spread this into your prepared 9 by 13-inch pan, then let it set undisturbed for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. After your marshmallow has fully set, dust the top generously with more powdered sugar. Invert it onto a cutting board, dust the bottom, and then cut it into your desired square sizes using a sharp, greased knife or pizza cutter. This makes about 48 2-inch marshmallows. They are perfect for hot chocolate or just snacking. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.